On the left-hand side, go to Tools, click on Draw. You can use either a pen, marker, or a highlighter to doodle any elements that you want. I'm going to click on the marker here. And once I'm done drawing the shape, I can now edit this shape however I want. I can resize it. I can put in some effects. I can animate it. A lot of different options. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.